Here at UniWigs.com we have 5 different cap constructions.
There are the lace front, the full lace, the glueless full lace, the monofilament, and the silk top.
So what are the differences between each type of cap and how do you choose? Well, let's explain this.
The lace front is very natural looking. It has the most invisible hairline which looks just like your own hair. Lace front caps have lace in the front and wefts in the back. In the front lace area, you can part your hair freely. For the weft area, there is an elastic net base fitted to make the wig extra comfortable. Our lace front wigs have clips and combs pre-sewn into the cap and an adjustable strap which can be tightened an inch. Full lace wigs are 100% hand-tied human hair wigs. Each hair is tied onto a mesh base to create the most natural hair growth and provide a super soft fit. With a full lace wig, wherever you part your hair, it will look natural. As well as imitating the natural movements of real hair. It can even be worn in a high ponytail or updo. A full lace wig requires 40 hours of work to make, so are pricier. However, it is a worthy investment considering its unique features. Glueless full lace wigs don't need to be secured using any glue. Glueless full lace wigs are 100% hand-tied and have all the same benefits as a full lace wig. A glueless full lace wig has combs and clips sewn into the cap and an adjustable strap which can be tightened by an inch. For beginners, a glueless lace wig is recommended. For monotop wigs, the top part of the cap is made from a very fine, sheer material called monofilament. Monotop wigs have a soft, comfortable cap and are friendly on sensitive scalps. Monofilament wigs also offer the look of natural hair growth and hair movements. Our luxurious silk top wigs offer a lifelike skin-toned scalp while maintaining all the benefits of a lace and mono construction. Silk top wigs are 100% hand-tied. Using a 3-layer system, the hair is knotted below a layer of silk. The hair is then injected through the silk, making the knots 100% invisible and making the hair look like it is growing straight from your own scalp.
video helped you learn more about our different cap constructions. If you need any more advice, feel free to contact us. Don't forget to like and subscribe.